Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, to the Battlegrounds Mobile 90 FPS gameplay test in the MI11X device. As you can see friends, this is the MI11X smartphone which I'm trying to use right now. So by default, right now the Battlegrounds mobile game is not enabled with the 90 FPS. You need to use the config file to make it happen with the 90 FPS to work in this phone. So a lot of users did ask me this kind of question that can you please make a videos on the MI11X device, how is the gameplay? So this is what I'm going to do. After a long time I'm trying to make a video on the MI11X device regarding the gameplay of this Battlegrounds mobile. Let's see how is the gameplay gonna be in this phone. So the config file is available in my Telegram group, so make sure to join my Telegram group in case if you want to download the config file, so which might be useful. Let's see. And one more quick note, using this kind of config file may get your account banned, so make sure to try only on the dummy account, don't try on your official account. That's the one advice which I can definitely give you. So let's go to the settings. By default you do get this kind of options only. There is no 90 FPS, but I'll try to use the config file right now. As you can see friends, after using the config file you can get the 90 FPS. Let me click on the 90 FPS. Let's see what happens to the real-time refresh rate. So this is a real-time refresh rate. Change it to 90 FPS. As you can see, this config file is actually working without any kind of much stress in the MI11X device. So first let's do the normal team deathmatch test in the MI11X device. Then I'll try to do the drop test, and then I'll try to end up this video. Because recently I started to do this kind of videos on the 90 FPS as well, and few of the MI11X users, they actually want to know how is the performance in this MI11X device. So that's the reason I thought of making this kind of video, which might be useful for a few of the users. So I'm trying to use this config file for a very long time. I think more than maybe 20 days, I think so, 15 to 20 days. And I was able to get really stable performance in terms of the results. So not much issues I can actually see in this kind of config file. So one more thing, the config file and the official update 90 FPS may be stable. So that's the one thing definitely I can say that. So wait for the official update. So maybe the official update might be a little kind of stable than the config file usage. Right now as you can see friends, 88, 89 FPS I'm getting. So all friends, while playing the team deathmatch, I did not feel any kind of much problem at all in the MI11X device. It should be completely fine. And next I'll try to move to the normal classic match, and I'll try to show you the exact demonstration as well. Moving the classic match, let me try to go to the classic match, and I'll try to do the drop test just for the in the boot camp. Let's see what happens with the 90 FPS, how much it can be actually dropped. That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. So this is a 8GB RAM variant, which is a Snapdragon 870 chipset. As you can see friends, I just want to demonstrate the normal mini type of gameplay only in the MI11X device. So let me do, and let's see how much the FPS will be dropping. So usually I did see the drop up to close to 82 and 83. Sometimes that's it. Apart from that, I did not see any kind of major drops in this phone. At this moment we are seeing about 64 as well sometimes. As I said, this config file may not be that much kind of reliable. So we need to wait for the official update. So only depending on the official update only we can come into the conclusions. So now let's see what is happening now. It did drop up to 81 as well, 81 FPS. 73 we are seeing, 65 also we are seeing, 66. As you can see friends, 85. So this is a test using the config file. As you can see the results, how it is after dropping for some time. 83 we are getting, 83 and 84. So this is the second time I'm trying to do the drop test. Let's see what happens this second time, how much the FPS will be dropping. So I'm just trying to do the multiple times, just 1 or 2 times, so you'll be having a clear idea what is going on in the MI11X device. So let's me try to do the drop test. So now let's see what happens with FPS, and we are seeing about this can be kind of really close to accurate. Let's see, 87 FPS, 88 FPS we are getting, 88, 83, 82, not bad. As you can see, 82 and 83. 83 is the lowest. 81, 75, 50, 59. As you can see, friends, it went up to 59 as well in this process of demonstration. You did see that 59. So as low as 59 it did go in this MI Linux device in this moment. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. This is a quick review on the FPS test in this MI Linux device. In case if you want any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. So definitely I'll be able to do those kind of videos as soon as possible for you all. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates, and meanwhile, signing off. Bye.